Welcome to our video on what will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute. In this video, we will be exploring the potential benefits and drawbacks of daily planking for 1 minute. Planking is a simple exercise that involves holding your body in a straight line while resting on your forearms and toes. It's a great way to strengthen your core muscles and improve your overall fitness. We will be discussing how planking can improve your balance, stability, and cardiovascular fitness, as well as the potential drawbacks to consider when it comes to planking every day for 1 minute. So, grab your mat and let's dive into the world of planking together. Planking is a simple exercise that involves holding your body in a straight line while resting on your forearms and toes. The exercise is called a plank because the body is held in a straight line similar to a board or plank of wood. The goal is to maintain proper form and hold the position for a certain amount of time, typically starting from 20 seconds to several minutes. The primary muscle group worked during planking are the core muscles, including the abdominal muscles, oblique, and lower back muscles. Planking also works the shoulders, triceps, and legs, making it a full-body workout. It's a great exercise for strengthening the core and improving overall fitness, balance, and stability. When it comes to daily planking for 1 minute, there are several potential benefits to consider. Strengthening the core, planking is one of the most effective exercises for strengthening the core muscles, including the abdominal muscles, obliques, and lower back muscles. A strong core is essential for maintaining good posture, preventing back pain, and improving overall athletic performance. By planking every day for 1 minute, you can help improve the strength and stability of your core muscles, which can have a positive impact on other exercises and activities. Improving balance and stability, planking requires you to engage your core muscles and maintain a steady and stable position. This can help improve balance and stability in other exercises and activities. By planking every day for 1 minute, you can help improve your overall balance and stability, which can be especially beneficial for older adults or those recovering from an injury. Cardiovascular fitness, planking is also a great cardiovascular workout. Holding the plank position for 1 minute requires a lot of effort and can get your heart rate up. By planking every day for 1 minute, you can help improve your cardiovascular fitness, which can have a positive impact on overall health. Convenient and time-efficient, planking is a simple exercise that can be done anywhere, at any time. 1 minute of planking a day does not require any equipment or much space, making it a convenient and time-efficient exercise. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to consider when it comes to daily planking for 1 minute. Joint stress, planking can be hard on the wrists, elbows, and shoulders. It is important to listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain or discomfort. It is also important to make sure you are using proper form when planking to avoid unnecessary joint stress. Lack of progress, planking for 1 minute every day may not be enough to see significant improvements in strength and fitness. To see real progress, you will likely need to increase the duration or difficulty of your plank, or add other exercises to your routine. In conclusion, planking is a simple and effective exercise that can benefit people of all ages and fitness levels. By planking every day for 1 minute, you can help strengthen your core, improve balance and stability, and get a cardiovascular workout. However, it is important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard, and to make sure to use proper form to avoid unnecessary joint stress. Additionally, 1 minute of planking every day may not be enough to see significant improvements in strength and fitness. To see real progress, you will likely need to increase the duration or difficulty of your plank, or add other exercises to your routine.